What's up, you guys? My name is Olivia. Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who do not know, I run my own t-shirt business online, and I am also a t-shirt business coach and a full-time content creator. And I've been making and selling t-shirts for over 8 years now. And now I create content. I still create t-shirts and sell t-shirts, but I also create content that helps support complete beginners that would like to start their t-shirt business, and also t-shirt business owners that are just trying to maintain their business. And lately I've been thinking about how I can help serve you guys and help you guys as much as possible this year. And one of the things I really think will help you guys in your t-shirt business journey is a t-shirt business launch challenge. And I have a challenge that's going to start February the 19th. And in this challenge, I have decided to start from complete scratch, like ground zero, and start a brand new t-shirt business. And I want to do this because I want to show you how I start from beginning all the way to the point of maintaining it. And you're basically going to get front row, insider, over the shoulder view of what I'm doing, from me choosing what vendor I want to use, me choosing market research, me doing the market research, how I conduct my market research, and how I create designs on Canva, all the way to me actively marketing it on Etsy. You're gonna get access to behind the scenes footage that I will not be posting on YouTube. And not only that, but you'll also have access to a private community group where we as t-shirt business owners are able to talk to each other, help each other out, and you can also ask me questions and I will answer them. Any questions, concerns you may have about your business, I will be right there. And in this challenge, you're going to learn a lot of exciting different things, like different ways to print a t-shirt, all the basics, where to get t-shirts from, like I said, the vendors, how to pack and ship your shirts without breaking the bank. And we will also do monthly Zoom calls. And if this is something that you're interested in and you feel like this will take your business to the next level or help you finally take that leap that you've been wanting to do for your business, definitely click the link in the description. You can sign up for the challenge in the link below. And also keep in mind, I'm limiting the spots that will be available for the challenge because I want to be able to serve as many of you as I can. I don't want to have an overflow of people in there because I really want to help y'all make a change in your business, or help you finally start that business that you really want to start and make sure you're moving the needle in your business. And with that said, there are only 100 spots available. Like I said, if you are interested in this, go ahead and click the link below and it will take you to reserve your spot. So like I said, the challenge starts February 19th. Now, if you're seeing this after February 19th, say March, all the replays will be saved, everything will be saved, so you can purchase it then. However, this is the early bird pricing. Later on, I cannot guarantee that it will be the same price it is today. Definitely go ahead and reserve your spot. Remember, February 19th, mark your calendars if you would like to be a part of that. And like I said before, this is behind the scenes. You're gonna see me go through everything I need to go through from the beginning stages, ground zero of starting a t-shirt business from complete scratch. Okay, and you will also have access to a private community group where you will be able to ask me all of your questions and I will answer them. So I hope to see you inside, and until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.